4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock because it's back to the long.
And you're down to 13 minutes in your camcorder away.
It's back to close to 6 o'clock. Doesn't finish till 4 now.
Yeah. This is Wednesday the 4th of March 2026 when the Irish on still Kildare. Tanya is with who's it? Abigail Lass.
And Spring Torrance.
Spring Torrance.
Spring Torrance and Talk of Freedom. Talk of Freedom movie. Hello, Spring. Spring Torrance. Do you want glass, girls? It is her, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. It says on the yoke here. Yeah, Spring Torrance, yeah.
Hello.
Sarah Frankel, daughter of Frankel.
Yeah, I know. What happened to the daughter of Australia? Someone that was there, what's her name? Davia or what's
Davia, she's out in the field, I don't know where she is now. Must be in one of your stables.
Yeah. More funky than the rest of them. She's got a great feast here, isn't she? Look behind me. She's got a great feast, isn't she? She's got a great feast.
Yeah.
She's got a great feast. And nigger. She's got a great feast, Papa Freedom, aren't you? You're up for that grass, aren't you? Somebody's a bit chewy actually, there's a bit of muck inside it. Some of this kind of coming out of the roots out there. Just coming out of the some of this coming out of the roots. This kind of muck. Some of this looks like it's all clean. That looks like it's very clean, that was. That's not like very fresh. The last batch I had was more fresher actually. Yeah. More fresher, you know, this is much more fresher. That's much fresher. It's dropped, you know. More dropped in that. Too much muck in that. It's coming out of the roots. What time is it?
Times. It's 3 o'clock.
It's coming out of the roots. I thought it was out of the roots. I'll put that on the stove and she's using it now. She's using the stove. Finds it easier eating in the stable, doesn't she? All that dirty grass. And I can't get it all up now. I just get most of it up as much as I can, you know. She'll start coming to pick up the dirt anyway. It's a place to sleep anyway, don't it? Huh?
Yeah. Beautiful mouth, isn't it? It's a mouth. Her mouth.
It's too dirty. Put you by no shows now?
No.
Huh? Put you by no shows now?
No.
Let's bring all over the floor now. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Not too tidy now, isn't it?
No.
Is it?
No. There's another handful there on your left, over near the. There's another handful. You pick up a handful there if you want.
Yeah.
Give it to her.
Huh?
You pick up a handful, not there, yeah, not, yeah. Pick it up, yeah. There as well, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What are you going to have?
Oh, I haven't thought about it. No idea.
Might have sausage and chips.
Sausage and chips?
Might, yeah.
Okay.
Chip on that frozen? What's your band frozen?
No. Go and close the gate and head off. You have 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes on your phone tonight.
Nothing chip on that, doesn't?
No. Can you close the gate yourself, do you think? Give it a bash. That's it. Push it outwards. Okay, give me a hand. Say goodbye first of all, so I can get it. All right, 7 minutes in this. Pauses.
Pause the mobile. Are you filling the ground?
Can't help it, I have to turn this off.
If you pause the filament, you paused it sideways.
Oh, did I? Sorry. I didn't. Anyway.
It's already off.
Here you go.
Did you pause the camera sideways?
No, I don't think so. Here.
What way did you pause it?
Sit down.
Upside down?
There we go.
What way did you pause it?
I think it's the normal way.
Huh?
Normal way.
You need to close the gate. I bet you did pause it upside down, didn't you?
Can you hear it?
Well, I didn't get a chance to say goodbye on my mobile.
Oh, yeah. People that.
Liam.
Wow.
Sorry, girl. But you know, I have to go off to my no, it's not what I'm saying. I have to go for my breakfast. I was going to say I have to go for my breakfast. That's what I was going to say. That's what I was about to say. I was about to say that talk of freedom. I was going to say to talk of freedom. I have to go for my breakfast.
Go on, say goodbye.
Okay, talk of freedom. I have to go for my lunch, girl. So I must see you again till Wednesday.
So Friday.
Friday. I'll see you Friday because it's the birthday of Giselle Vega. So I'll be coming here Friday for Giselle Vega's birthday, and hopefully you try to persuade your mother to come. Do you think she'll come? I don't think she.
No, she's not, because she's too busy.
She can't come in.
Mm-hmm.
It'd be great if she can come for support. You know, more,
Yeah,
more support. It'd be great if Valley could come. You know.
yeah.
Well, it might be fun to bring at the restaurant. Anyway, so the Talk of Freedom and Abigalas and Spring Farms. Now we're going off to lunch, girls. Okay, girls, we're going off to lunch, and we'll see you in 2 days' time. We'll see you in 2 days' time, back here at the stud, folks, and back here. Well, I'll see you three back here in 2 days' time. But for the moment, viewers, I'm joking here because of the dust. We'll be back Lima will be back after lunch at the stand. Thank you, folks.